This Dell-Tower's so smart, it might replace you. ECT1250 is the AI boss you didn't know you needed. Let's be real, your current PC setup is draining your soul. You sit down to work or create, and instead of getting stuff done, you're waiting and waiting. Glitchy apps. Choppy video calls. A fan that sounds like it's prepping for liftoff. Whether you're chasing deadlines or just trying to stay productive, your system feels more like a digital prison than a creative partner. You're not lazy, you're just being sabotaged by slow tech. And honestly, it's killing your vibe, your time, and your sanity. If you're done with underpowered desktops robbing your focus, keep watching. Dell has entered the chat. You ever rage quit a spreadsheet? Or miss a Zoom pitch because your system froze like it saw a ghost? That creeping burnout isn't all in your head, it's your tools failing you at the worst moments. Deadlines are coming faster, expectations are rising, and your machine is still stuck in 2012. Meanwhile, your coworkers are out here running AI workflows like it's nothing. You're not just falling behind, you're hemorrhaging time, energy, and confidence. The stress adds up fast when you're fighting your own equipment every single day. You deserve better. Scratch that, you need better, and Dell's about to deliver it. Enter the Dell-Tower Desktop ECT1250, your new productivity beast disguised as a stylish space saver. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7-265 processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 1TB SSD, this bad boy makes bottlenecks extinct. Plus, built-in AI capabilities boost performance where it counts, think smoother multitasking, cleaner video calls, and background blur so good it might erase your life regrets. It's quiet, cool, and clean on the outside with serious firepower inside. And with up to 4 monitor support, you'll go from tab-juggling amateur to command center overlord in seconds. It's not just an upgrade, it's revenge. You want seamless workflow? Boom! With AI-assisted multitasking, Wi-Fi 6, and super-fast SD imports, you'll be slicing through tasks like a hot knife through lag. Got creative ambitions? The UHD graphics in DisplayPort 1.4a let you hook up dual 4K displays or go wild with quad FHD screens. Your desktop won't just keep up, it'll drag your productivity kicking and screaming into the future. And don't worry about upgrades, toolless entry makes expansion a breeze. Want to feel like the main character in your own work life again? Smash that description link. Dell's got the keys to your comeback arc. Thousands are already making the switch, and once they go Dell ECT1250, they don't go back. This isn't some hyped-up TikTok gadget. It's real tech for real life, with on-site service, future-proof flexibility, and AI that actually works. But don't sleep on it, this model's flying off shelves faster than a trending meme. Miss out now, and you're stuck rage-clicking on frozen tabs while your productivity dreams burn in the background. So don't wait. Upgrade. Dominate. Create. Grab the ECT1250 now and join the crew of smart humans who let their desktops do the heavy lifting. Your smarter workflow starts today.